Hey guys, Brian here with Grip Studs. I just want to make a quick video here about removal of your studs. The number one reason why people have issues taking their studs out of their tires is because the two broaches that are machined into the stud get filled with debris. So what happens is the tool can't make full engagement with the prongs. And then when you go to twist it out, the prongs actually literally wear off at the ends. So I'm gonna kind of give you a little trick here, something that I found helpful when I'm taking the studs out of equipment or dirt bike tires, and that's to use one of these. This is called a scratch-all. You can use a pick, a flat, small, straight slot screwdriver, whatever you can find, something that you can get down between the stud and the rubber. So what I'll do basically, it's real easy, just jam it in there, pull it out. You can hear the granules in there. Pick it out real quick. Okay, now that I've got the broaches cleared of debris, I'm gonna go ahead and draw the stud back out. Easy as that. And that's how you clear the broaches of debris before you pull your studs out of your tires. Thanks for watching.